Now, I'll introduce another type of clamp. This clamp is a universal clamp for the 12 to 17 series. When we replace the blue light beads, there are two types of beads, one large and one small. When using small blue light beads to preserve the original rubber, when using large blue light beads, it's up to you whether you stay or not. Start the actual operation. Now I'll start filling the beads. After lining the beads, we started fixing it with clamps. Place the phone camera into the clamp. Once aligned, begin tightening. After applying the glue, start to solidify.